The Eufy RoboVac 11s. The Eufy RoboVac 11s is the heir to the much-loved RoboVac 11. This robot vacuum does its predecessor proud, offering excellent suction and improved navigation. The slimmer design allows the S to get its brushes into more places. When we tested, the 11s picked up around 11.6 grams of dirt per run, more than what most iRobot models manage. We also noted that during operation, the 11S was quiet, rarely making enough noise to interrupt a conversation. The combination of good dirt pickup and quiet operation make the 11s one of our favorite robot vacuums. The Neato Botvac D3 Connected. We're big fans of the Neato D3 Connected. It's an affordable robot vacuum that excels at dirt pickup, cleaning as well as robot vacuums that cost twice the price. It did especially well on pet hair. While it's the most expensive vacuum on our list, it also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. That means you can tell Alexa or Google Home to start vacuuming, or you can start your D3 from your smartphone, anywhere in the world. The iRobot Roomba 690. The Roomba 690 replaces the 650 as the entry-level offering from iRobot, one of the best-known names in the world of home robotics. On sale for as low as $299, it adds Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control with a smartphone app. That means it's the most affordable connected robot vac from a major manufacturer. So why isn't this superb cleaner our favorite? Well, it still has a few flaws. For instance, it's based on the iRobot 650, which is rough on furniture, hitting table and chair legs with 3.3 pounds of force in our tests. That's hard enough to knock an item off the edge of a table. The EcoVac D3 601. Jacks of all trades may be a master of none, but do they tend to be cost-effective? The EcoVac D3 601 stands as a shining example. It's a combination robot vacuum and mop that handles both in stride. On average, the 601 picked up a respectable 10.6 grams of dirt per run. While that isn't the highest we've seen, even in this price range, it's the only model that can also act as an automated Swiffer. The Bobsweep Bobpet. The oddly named Bobsweep Bobpet, stylized as Bobpet, comes with a ton of extras, including a virtual wall, a dry mop attachment, and a UV light on its underside that Bobsweep says can kill germs. All these goodies will cost you. The Bobpet was one of the most expensive robot vacuum in our roundup, retailing for around $330. For that price, it gave a mixed performance in our tests. While it cleaned 75% of the pet hair we laid out for it, it also got stuck on the edges of a doormat multiple times and required human intervention to get it moving again. We think that defeats the purpose of an automated cleaner, which is why we're on the fence about recommending it.